In this video, we're going to talk about the worst mistake people make when they have anterior pelvic tilt. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so you can live with confidence. Be sure to check out the link to our free exclusive anterior pelvic tilt videos to help you fix your anterior pelvic tilt, and in the description box you'll also find a link to our premium anterior pelvic tilt program so you can make progress with your anterior pelvic tilt. So you think you have anterior pelvic tilt, or you're totally sure you have anterior pelvic tilt. If that's the case, you are probably at risk of committing the biggest mistake that pretty much everybody with anterior pelvic tilt makes. And the mistake is this: you think it's an actual disease. Now, the important thing to remember with anterior pelvic tilt is that it's not some crazy disease. It's not a bacteria that's gotten into your system. It's not that your body is malformed and deformed. It's not like the bones are growing in a way that is forcing you to be stuck in anterior pelvic tilt, and so you're kind of helpless with this disease that somebody else needs to fix for you. If you start thinking about anterior pelvic tilt as a static medical disease, a diagnosis that needs to be cured, you are no longer thinking about the problem in the way that is going to be most productive and beneficial. You have to remember that the position of your bones is determined by your muscle activity. So all your effort and attention needs to go into training muscles to position your pelvis and your lower back and your hip joints in the correct way so that you're in that more comfortable neutral position. It's not about any quick trick that magically locks everything to one place forever. It's really about training the right muscles and the coordination over time. When you think about anterior pelvic tilt in this way, it makes more sense why just doing a bunch of the same exercises over and over again doesn't seem to work. It also makes sense why nobody's able to snap and pop your back and give you an adjustment or give you a massage that keeps your body in neutral. There is no way for anybody to do anything to you that's going to permanently fix your anterior pelvic tilt unless you are in the driver's seat and controlling your body every minute of the day, or at least every minute that you feel like you really need to be in that neutral pelvic position, like if you're playing sports or lifting weights or even standing at a standing desk or sitting down at your computer. It's all about your control. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found this idea helpful and empowering. If you're looking for more ideas to help you with your anterior pelvic tilt, be sure to check out our free anterior pelvic tilt videos that you'll find a link for in the description box. And also, you might want to check out our Fix Anterior Pelvic Tilt program to help you make sense of everything and make progress quickly with your anterior pelvic tilt. If you liked this video, be sure to click the like button and share this video with somebody that you know will like it too. Or you could share it with somebody who you know will hate this so much they'll leave a comment that's so mean and nasty it will cut to my very soul. Because hey, this is the internet, why not? Now, if you want to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.